Hey guys, I wanted to go over this new shaver that I bought on Amazon and tell you why I love it and why it's something that I think you might like. So, number one and the best feature that I think about it for me personally is that it's so small and compact. I've had plenty of, those shavers, your head balders that were pretty long, had to be plugged in. But I like this, I'm glad to say that this is actually battery powered. You can actually plug it in, charge it. Comes with a little cap that you can put right on top of it. So it's great as a travel shaver if you're going on those long cruises or anything like that. If you want something portable, something you can take around with you, this is the way to go. Now, there's a couple features I want to talk about real quick. First of all, obviously you can take off the top plate just to get rid of that. And then if you pull on the sides, you can actually take off this scissor plate. So for those people that need to go through different blades or want to get different blades, you definitely can swap this out within the same brand and then pop a new one in. Here's what the USB input will go right there to charge it. And then if you wanted to take it off, you just pull this piece right here, and then obviously you just pull it out right there. So if you're looking for a new, portable, rechargeable head shaver and something that you can walk around with and use quickly and efficiently, this is something I recommend. I recommend you buy one. It's worked well for me every time that I've used it. So there you go.